Welcome to my channel Living Linux. Now that the VisionFive 2 has the acrylic case, the Radxa Rock 5B now is a bare board at the moment. But I already ordered the acrylic case for the Radxa Rock 5B because initially I was sent the acrylic case for the VisionFive. And I also bought a wireless M2 module, but I want to investigate some more about compatibility with Linux and Android on that one. So here we have the heatsink, and this one is quite a lot bigger than the heatsink for the VisionFive. It's quite a bit big block, and it's also quite a bit bigger than the Rockchip RK3588 itself, and I'm not really sure where it will go, but I'll figure that out later on. So here we have the acrylic case with the screws, the bolts, the standoffs. And also with this one, you can see that the bottom plate is much thicker than the top plate. So I'll try to figure out how to put everything together, and perhaps I will have to do something again with some extra screws so that I have enough room for the M2 slot. So we'll see the results after the break. So here we have the result, and I hope you can see those two white pins. So you can push them so that they go through the hole in the PCB, and of course you have to remove the stickers from the thermal pad or thermal tape, and then this heatsink is in place. It does stick out a bit, and well, here you can see that we do have some room for the M2, and just to make it clear, the configuration that I chose is that we have the screw here, then the long one, then the smaller one, and then we finish it off with just this thing, and then you're done. So now my Radxa Rock 5B is in an acrylic case again. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.